Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be pausing games. Yeah, we're going to see how we can make a pause menu. So let's jump right into it.
I really think you should.
So as you can see, I have a game scene and a sample scene over here, and it has nothing but a simple main menu with a play button and a quit button and main menu text. So I hit play and it appears, and this is the pause canvas. So we must show we must show this canvas whenever the game is paused. It has a menu button, a resume button, and a quit button. So we want to disable it while we are playing the game. This scene has nothing but few particles that fly all around, and so we want to disable this canvas when we're playing and enable it while we're in pause. So let me go under edit, project settings. So normally in Unity games, how we pause games are, uh, as you can see under project settings under time, there's a variable called time scale. Let me just set it to 0. It stopped. If I set it to 5, it becomes very fast. So this we can control the speed. If we set it to 0, that means it completely stops. We can use that. So I have created the game manager with a game manager script, and in that script it has just a load game, quit, and a load menu function. So let's start by creating another variable called public canvas called pause canvas, and we'll default it to null. And then let's create a start function, and in the start we want to say if pause canvas is not equal to null. So we want to say if pause canvas is null or not. If it is not equal to null, then we want to say pause canvas dot game object dot set active. So we can use this to change the value, whether it is active or disabled. So we want to set active to false, that means we want to disable it. We set to true when we want to enable it. Now let's create a update function, and then we want to see if input dot get key, and what key we want to search for is escape. As in most games, escape is used to show the pause menu. If input dot get key escape, then we want to say pause canvas. Else, if you don't want to write, you will create a separate function. We'll call it void pause, and then we want to say pause canvas dot game object dot set active to true. And then we want to say, as we have seen earlier, we want to set time dot time scale to 0. We also want to check if pause canvas is not equal to null, else this will return few errors. We just want to check if it is equal to null, only then we want to proceed. And then under here, let's call the pause function. And then let's also create a resume function. So then we want to check if pause canvas is not equal to null. Then we want to say let me just copy this code, and then we want to set the time scale to 1, and we want to set this to false. Okay, let's test it out. And let's drag in our pause canvas, and then let's enable it, and we'll go under just rechecking everything, and then let's hit play. And then you see it got disabled, and then let me press escape, and you see it pauses. Let me resume it again. It works very well. Now there's another problem. You see it's only white, but we want to blur it. I don't like this white. If you like it like this, you can go on ahead, but let's just blur this. So now I have a shader. It's a blur shader. So you can just grab this blur shader from the link in description. Also, you can, this font is Thalai Pixel font. It's free on the Unity Asset Store. This link will also be in description. You can download this blur shader from the project files itself. So now we have to create a material from this shader, and then let's also call it blur. And then let's go under the pause canvas and panel. Under image you can see there's a material and it's none. So this is a material, so let's just drag on this material onto it, and then you can see that it immediately blurs a little. If you want to adjust its blur, you can just change the size, but if it's too much it's not too good. And you can add a tint color also to it. I'm just gonna leave it a little bit dark, and then I'm going to resize the pause canvas. That looks good, and there you go, you have it. You have very own pause canvas, pause menu. You can style it how much you want, however you like. And that's it for this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. And according to my channel analytics, 99.0% of you have not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button and make sure you're not the part of the 99%.